Magandang hapon po. Here is the Lotto result today, 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Wednesday, August 26, 2026. Here is the 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result for Wednesday, August 26, 2026. Here is the 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result for August 26, 2026, Wednesday. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, August 26, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for August 26, 2026, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, August 26, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.